How you doing, guys? The Forex King is coming back at you again. Man, I'm just gonna get straight into it. Today, man, was a really rough day. Um, I don't know where I start. I'm recording this to be transparent, so that way I'm again being authentic and transparent as well, showing my wins and losses because no one wins 100%, as shown in my last video. And I was on such a high with my win streak. I got a loss today, but man, today's loss was a battle in so many ways. Let me see. So this is yesterday, so we won't really go over that. We'll just get right into what happened today, my mindset and why I flopped the way I did today. So I saw this. I already saw what was going on yesterday based on my strategy. I woke up and I was waiting. Now initially I did pretty well. I got in. Let me just talk pretty clearly. Let me see. It's a lot of losses today, bro. Like today's what? Today is the 4th. Man, I was in and out this market a lot. Excuse me, guys. Let's see. Okay, here you go. So this $8 here was me expecting the market to drop a little bit, and it dropped, and then it went against me, so I got out. Then I went for a no, it wasn't here. It was here. I got in for a sell. I saw this. I avoided this. I watched it, but I said I'm not going to do it just because I didn't really like the setup at the time. So once it got to this area and it stagnated and dropped down, I said, all right, perfect. This is a perfect setup for me. Let me get in on a sell. I got it on the sell, made some decent money. But then on $8, then it pulled back on me. So when it pulled back on me, I said, oh, it's actually going back up. This is just a retracement. So I went in on a buy, and then it pulled back on me like a lot, like where I lost $88. And then that's when the revenge trading and the pullbacks and the market just playing with you started to get to me. Had a winning trade here, a loss here, winning, loss, winning here, just to kind of end on a winning note, won $3. I mean, overall, really bad day, losing. But initially when I started, you know what, I started pretty good. Let's call it what it is. Like, everything looked good. Setup went well based on my strategy. I got in well. The market just did what the market did. And then me, I should have just let it go. But thinking I cannot, okay, so once I recorrected, I said I changed my bias immediately. So I was able to pivot. Once I was able to pivot and I pivoted, I said, okay, cool. And that's the best thing about my strategy. I'm not as emotional as I used to be before, which is a great thing. And I think that's where a lot of traders kind of mess up too. They have the strategy, but then they get so emotional that there's no room to make adjustments. And I'm glad to say that I've grown enough to the point where I can make adjustments on the fly if I need to. Problem is with this one, I made adjustments and everything looked good. But then it got to the point where obviously I started getting into my own head. So I was making adjustments as we go. But the thing is, even though I made solid adjustments, the market just basically was just not in that mode to follow what they were doing. So it's a lot of pullbacks, a lot of fake outs. And honestly, it just really just based on the day. It's a doji day. So regardless of what I'm doing, there's just not enough volume to make up what's going on because of the type of day that it is. So because of the type of day it is, I just kind of have to just eat it and just deal with it the way it is. Now, see, after all these losses, I went on this particular candle right here. See, look at this. This is real reality right here. Right? So after all of these losses, I went in on this candle expecting it to go up. This candle did this nonsense, then did this, and now I'm recording this video. Seems to be going up. I'm just not going to trade again. Call the day for what it is. It's a lose-lose. I'm so tempted to get in on a buy, but call it what it is. It's a lose-lose. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna take it. Let me not lie. So this video ended up being a live video. I didn't intend for it to be that way. So I'm gonna let it rock. Let me see where this goes. Da 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 da. Now, based on everything here, what I'm looking for now really is to see how high this goes, and if this takes out this one, I'll be happy and I'll stay in there a little bit longer. I didn't think this video was going to turn into a live trade video. I don't really do live trade videos just because I'm growing. Now, I don't want to be no mentor to nobody, but I saw this opportunity. I said, you know what? I'm going to get in again anyway because it's clear. I'm going to get it. I want to win. So I'm going to take it. So I took it. Let's see what's that. Let's see what happens. Wow. Okay. So I'm back above 2, which is good. Solid. I made up the day a little bit. Let's see where it goes. Now you're starting to pull back too much on me. Let me see where we at. All right, now y'all tripping. Y'all are tripping. Oh, wait, never mind. Let me just chill. This might end up being a solid trade. I didn't think this video was going to turn into a live trade video, but you guys are here with me, so I'm just going to let it ride. If this video goes too long, I'll cut it. I'll see where this trade goes, but this, let me see, 20. As you guys see, I don't trade with stop loss, take profit. Like, I get in, I go into the market, I look for opportunities, and I go in. Now, based on all of this consolidation, you'll see. Now, I normally do not trade past 12, 1 o'clock, the very, very, very latest. But I ain't gonna lie, talking to you guys and me just being competitive, I saw the opportunity and I wanted to take it. Okay, decent wick. Let's see how high you go. Since I'm recording this live, I'm gonna get all this stuff out the way. Boom, delete, get this out the way. See, pretty much I already documented what I was trying to say on the video, so you guys can see what's going on also. So I scalp, clearly. Going in on the 5-minute chart. Okay. Clears this, that's good. Going from here, okay. Solid rebound. Okay. Let's see where it closes. 46. Still a lot of time in the time frame. 5-minute chart. See what's going on. Okay, maybe about $52. Okay, cool. But let's pay attention to the trade, not the money, right? This is pretty cool. So the thing now for me is, I don't know if I really want this video to go too long. But you guys just saw me take a live trade, and I didn't really plan on doing that. But that's what it is when you're trading, when you're in the market. You see everything that's going on now. So what I'll do is I'm going to put this arrow here, right? And then based on what happens with this trade, I'll keep you guys updated. But just so this video don't take too long, I appreciate you guys. Forex King is out. You see me took a live trade, positive. We're in the green. You see, I don't use take profit or stop loss. I go and I look for solid support and resistance levels, and I take the trade. And right now, this trade is looking pretty good. I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow. See you guys later. Appreciate you. Forex King out.